Why should I buy a car from you? What makes you different? What makes your sales process different than anyone else's? Hi everyone, I've got a question for you. And this is a question you should all be asking yourselves every single morning if you are in auto sales. And that question is this: why should I buy a car from you? It's a great question. And if your answer is going to be because you have a great product and you have a big inventory and you're going to take care of me after the sale and you're family owned and you're community oriented, well, guess what? You're no different than anybody else out there selling cars. Every day you have to ask yourself, what am I doing different than the other salespeople that are selling in my market? And what am I doing different to earn that customer? Because I'm going to tell you what, the average car salesperson sells between 8 to 12 cars per month. Why? Because they use an average sales process. And if you're using that same average sales process, well, guess what? You too are going to sell 8 to 12 cars per month. So again, I ask you, why should I buy a car from you? What makes you different? What makes your sales process different than anyone else's? Good luck, everyone.